Thank you for joining our webcast, brought to you by EntryPoint. Today, we will discuss SAP GTS product classification. SAP GTS product classification is an important tool that will improve your business processes. We will answer these three questions in this webinar. What is product classification? It is a business process used to assign tariff and other key numbers and attributes to your products and services. This ensures your company properly complies with all import and export laws while reducing costs and moving goods quickly across borders. SAP GTS provides a comprehensive solution for product classification. You can assign codes based on product uses and attributes. Here is a partial list of these uses based on various government import, export, and regulatory requirements. You can also set up custom codes to support your company's unique requirements. You can group codes at various levels, maintain your data, and set up business rules. We will discuss these items in more detail later in the presentation. Testing, testing. Testing. Testing, 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 testing. Testing, testing again and again and again. Once again we're testing, once again we're testing. And we're going to test this one too. And also this one. And finally this one.